Say it with me. Poor time management. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so it's almost 10 o'clock at night and I have somewhere to be in the morning. So as you can see, I've already done some flat twist into some bantu knots in the back and on this side of my head. But I wanted to film a portion of this so that way I can show you all my new favorite curl combo. This combination was forced and inspired by my girl Sheree Del Sol. Make sure you check out her channel. I'll leave her linked in the cards. Not too long ago, she combined some of her favorite products to give her her best twist out like ever. I actually tried this curl combo this past week and the definition and the moisture lasted me the duration of my work week. But I wanted to use this curl combination again and actually get it on video for you all. The first product I want to mention is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. Now I know that they no longer sell this big 15-ounce jar. They actually shrunk it down, I think, to 8 ounces and the price is $13.99. Howsomever, I actually picked this up last week at TJ Maxx and I got it for $9.99 and I love it. So I'll be using this to install my flat twist. And per usual, I'm going to be finishing off my flat twist with the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse from Lotta Body. You all already know how much I love her. I haven't found a mousse that compares. There are some that are cute. There are some that come close, but nothing so far that I've tried has been able to compete with the hold and the definition that I get from the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. They just don't. Essentially, I'm going to be doing the same exact steps that I did in the first flat twist video that I did. I'll be sure to leave that video in the cards if you want to check out that curl combo as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and section off a decent sized section and I'm going to clip the rest away. Not a large section at all. So I'm going to go in first with the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme Twisting Butter. And it's thick. So I don't need a lot of this. Again, it's almost tomorrow. Using that toward the base of the twist and then a little bit more towards the ends. And then I'll work it throughout the section. Now this is a whole lot thicker than the Almond Jive Twisting Butter from Camille Rose. So I really make sure that I work this into the section. Otherwise, it kind of looks like it's just sitting on my hair and white residue, and I don't like that. Also go in with my paddle brush just to make sure that the product is distributed and the section is nice and smooth and detangled. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and flat twist. And the key to flat twisting, I feel, is not grabbing like so much hair while you're twisting down the section. That way when you take it down, your hair is pretty much already separated. So I've come to like the end of being able to grab hair on the flat twist. So now I'll go in with the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And I add about 2 pumps because that is what works for me. And I really work that through. And then I go in and detangle with my rat tail comb. So we got the mousse distributed. Now I'm just going to twist down. Making sure that I keep my hair nice and taut and smooth. Now at the end, and I coil. And I'm going to wrap it into a bantu knot. Just like in that first video, I am going to secure it with a bobby pin. And that's that on that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair. I mean, what else is there to say? Go buy this. No, but seriously, this is my favorite curl combo to date. Love this. So make sure you all go and watch Sheree Del Sol because sometimes she knows what she's talking about. But don't tell her I told you that. So the Cocoa Cream by Carol's Daughter does claim that it helps with extremely dry hair by adding deep moisture, discovering touchable softness, and improving manageability. Check, check, check. Literally, when I used this before, the moisture lasted at least 5 days. I found my hair on stretched hair last week, so I used this combination to retwist my hair, and this is an undisputed champion. Almond Joy is great, but Almond Joy doesn't give me as much weight. Almond Joy is great, but the Almond Joy just doesn't give me as much long-lasting moisture as this. So I would highly recommend this. You all have already seen the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse numerous times, countless times, a ridiculous amount of times in my video. You all know that this is Old Faithful, and even when I strayed to try another foam, like I always come back home, this is just where it's at. It's inexpensive. You can find it literally anywhere. It just works. I forgot to mention the last time I did this style, how I maintain it. I literally just slap on a bonnet and go to bed. The last time I did this style, the definition lasted at least 4 days before I went in to retwist. And honestly, I only retwisted because I had somewhere to be the next day and I wanted my hair to be fresh. But like, I'm good for the work week. Like, I just am. So be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this combo before? Do you have these products in your stash? And now you're going to try this combo? Like, let's talk about it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.